Michael Saul with the stock market trading watch list for Friday, July 22nd, 2011. Let's take a look at some of the stocks we've been watching. BAS, okay, didn't fire off to the new highs, right? That's 37.79. The high was 37.59. So maybe taking a little dip. Finally touched the 10-day moving average after all these days, right, from here on above it. Continued weakness, watch the 20 EMA for potential support. I also have a couple of new stocks, by the way. CMG, okay, is in a mini coil. All right, you could see in Thursday's trade, it traded a little bit above Wednesday's trade, but not much. And you could draw in a little coil here. So let's see what CMG does over the next session or two. See if it can either break or it wants to dip down and try that 20 EMA. Let's look at WIN. We're watching that. No setup there. Looking, that's like a post-earnings kind of thing. MLI, okay, we watched this for a little dip and got a little bit of one back here on Monday, but already recovered, and now this looks like it may be forming a little flat base here, so watch this one for potential expansion also to new highs. That's MLI. Crocs. Okay, Crocs hit $1 from entry, right? The high was $26.85, so the entry was $26.86. Went to $27.96, but then it reversed. So more than likely, if profits were taken up here on partials, stops were hit on the way down here at break even on the rest. All right, so let's look at JVA. Nothing. Just kind of consolidating here. Watch for another test of the 20 EMA. Look at some of the usual suspects. Apple. And by the way, I'm going to be updating this little usual suspects list. So next week I'll have a couple more stocks to add on. All right, so Apple traded lower off of this big reversal candle that we saw on Wednesday, but wound up forming a doji on the session for a little bit of a gain here. You can see after hours, looks like it's up a little bit as well. So this was like nothing, and this is a pause candle, so we're in wait-and-see mode there. Goldman Sachs, okay, another green day for Goldman, back above the 50-day moving average. Watch for resistance here at 136.72. RIM, okay, RIM's starting to bounce, so hit the target of new lows, which we were watching, had the reversal candle, then we talked about this yesterday, how got to see some confirmation, and it closed above the 10-day, so now look at the 20 EMA as next resistance. Here's Caterpillar. Okay, Caterpillar, okay. Broke on Tuesday, and then Wednesday, a little bit of follow-through, but it closed below the open, and then a nice green candle, at least, on Thursday. So watching first resistance up here at 112.65. See, the high came a little shy, and if we can get above that, we're watching for a retest of the highs up here. GLD. Okay, GLD looks like it could be in a bear flag. I'm sorry, a bull flag. A bull flag. If it confirms and breaks out above the recent highs, watching 160.35 as next resistance. Here's SLV. Similar pattern. If this breaks out, watching 42.02 as the next level above 40. So 42.02 would be next above 40. And let's talk about the stocks for Friday. WPI is one of them. This one looks like it's in a bull flag here. Let's pop up the weekly chart. Okay, Watson Pharmaceuticals. This is a really nice uptrend, to say the least here, right? Down from these lows at $20. And looks like it is in a weekly bull flag and also a daily bull flag here. So watch this one. 75 would be resistance on the upside. And GSM, Globe Specialty Metals, is coiled up. So trade above the high, which is 25. Look for a quick test of 25.67, and then above here 26.10. All right, that's what we're watching with Globe Specialty Metals. So that's it. Have a great trading day on Friday and a great weekend. I will talk to you sometime Sunday with the stock market trading list for Monday.